Remember, building your list starts with the first subscriber. So you don't have to have the big list from the get-go. You can get there gradually. And what's more important is that you're building your list with the right people. Too oftentimes we try things that are kind of edgy, whiz-bang to get all these people on our list, and we end up with a big list of people that really aren't interested in what we do. So I want you to take your time when it comes to building your list. Think about where your perfect ideal people are hanging out and how can you bring them into your world. Maybe list building might include something like a PDF that they might be interested in, a resource, but it also could become from a conversation, just a simple conversation, and then add them to your list so that they can stay in touch with you and know what's going on. Think of the right people that you want to connect with and make those connections to build your list slow and steady of the right people. It all starts with that first person, and then from there, slow and steady, grow that list of the right people that are interested in what you do, are interested in the programs that you offer, and interested in the transformation that you're promising.